Want to utilize modern tools like Microsoft Planner, but your project managers still prefer Project Professional? With our Project to Planner sync, you can keep your schedules and team tasks perfectly aligned automatically. Project managers maintain full control in Project Professional while teams collaborate in Planner, with real-time, bidirectional sync ensuring everyone stays on track. The sync gives your team the flexibility to work in the tool they feel most comfortable with, delivering the best of both worlds. Watch this quick demo by Michelle Thomas to see how easy it is to connect your tools and streamline project execution.
Using Marquee 360's new Planner Sync tool, you now have the power of using Microsoft Project with your Planner environment. Let me show you how. We're going to click on the Project tab, and from the Project tab, we're going to click on My Add-ins, and it's going to find our Planner Sync tool. PlannerSync360 will pop up, and it knows who you are, and it tells you that we have not synced yet with a project. So we have to choose, do we want to sync with an existing project, or would you like to create a new project to sync with? Let's go ahead and let's click on an existing project. So we're going to sync with that, and it's going to ask us which environment that we want. So if you have multiple environments in your organization, you have the ability to choose which environment that you want. I'm going to choose our dev environment, and then it's going to ask us which project in that environment would you like to sync with. It knows which projects you have access to, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this timesheet testing environment project, and I'm going to click on Sync Now. Once I do that, it has now told Microsoft Project, look, you're going to sync with this timesheet testing project. If I want to see the tasks and the task information and the relationship among the tasks, I need to click on Get Updates from Planner. What it will do is it will go out and it's going to pull in all of the information that I already have out in Planner and bring it into Microsoft Project so that I can manage it from Microsoft Project. And it will tell us that the sync has completed. And now I have the ability to come in here. If I wanted to, I could update my project and say to reschedule work from today's date. I could change the task relationships and say that I want something to be a start to start relationship. I could give it lead and lag time. I can do anything that I want to do here without changing anything. So once I do that, the only thing that I would have to do is click the Publish All button to tell Microsoft Project, hey, push this back out to Planner. Once I do that, I'm ready to go and I can continue managing my project through Microsoft Project.